Hi guys, welcome to the Ethical Hacking and Cybersecurity course. In this course, you're going to master the ethical hacking and the cybersecurity domain. So a lot of people are sending messages to me. They are coming out to me that, hey Gautam, I'm 10th class failed. I just passed my 12th class. I'm from the science background. I'm from the arts background. From the commerce background. I'm 55 years old. I'm 25 years old. Can I be able to become hacker? And my answer is yes. Yes, you can be able to become hacker if you are interested to learn. And if you're interested to learn, then you can be able to learn any single thing in this world. So let's talk about technical aspect of what exactly required to become hacker. So the first thing is that you should be having the basic knowledge of computer system. If you can be able to use the computer system, then you can be able to learn hacking. And the second thing is that you should be having the working internet connection. So guys, I hope you are using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or maybe you are watching this video. That means you can be able to use internet, and that's why you can be able to become hacker. The third thing which required is that you should be curious to learn, because this is the only most important things. If you're curious about something, then you can be able to learn that thing in the very speedy way. And the fourth thing is that brain.exe. So you should be having some little brain so you can be able to master all those tools and techniques. So what is the motivation to become hacker? And let me set out with you that don't waste so much time for academic education. It's ordinary. Waste your time for your skill, because it's going to make you the extraordinary. So guys, I will see you inside the course, and welcome to this ethical hacking and cybersecurity course.